Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Back to Electrical Car Repair Live. In today's video guys, we will explain if you have a Hyundai Elantra and if you have a code guys P200a, P200a. This code guys is very common thing on Hyundai, especially Elantra Sonata, and the fix sometimes is super simple. Now we have the code on ours. I'll show you in a second how we're going to fix it. All we have to do, remove your engine cover, like that. Now you can see that's your intake manifold. On top of the intake manifold you have one kind of like actuator motor here. This one is called a VCM motor. That VCM motor is the one that opens and closes a flap inside the intake. That's for emissions. So, in order guys, to remove and replace it, you can see that wiring harness, is usually attached right here. You just pull it straight out. And then we have to remove that breather hose from the PCV valve. It's super simple. And we have only 3 bolts holding the whole motor now. So not complicated at all. You have to stay until the end to see what else you need to do to make sure that everything works right. Because you have to do one more step after you replace it. We have the links for all the tools and parts that we use guys. Share in the description of the video, part numbers if you need them. And now we are about to remove it. You can see this is the VCM motor. Press down on that cable there, pull it out. This is the old motor guys, right here. And now we're going to install the new one. You can see that piece right here, when you get the new motor, it can move a little bit left and right. That's what, has to go over there. Otherwise, if it's not all the way in and you install the bolts, you'll break it. So we'll get the new VCM motor now. We'll try to get it in now. You can do the wiring harness later last. Ours is in. You definitely feel it. It will sink all the way in once you get it done. Now we'll go ahead, install the 3 bolts. One is done. We'll just catch one all the way. That way we can make sure that the motor will not come out of the slot. And now we'll get them tight. Just don't over tighten those. Perfect. After that we'll connect the wiring harness. Connect the breather hose for the PCV valve. Don't forget to install the clamp. And I'll go ahead inside, plug the scanner. Let me just turn the ignition on quick. Ignition needs to be on. Great. Now the scanner will be plugged in. You can find the scanner that we use in the description of the video as well. And sometimes you might have different code as well. You might have a P2008, 2004, 2017 as well. So let's go ahead and clear that code now quick. You can see we have 2 codes. So I'll just go quick to the module, trying to focus here, but yep, right there. Now erase code. Are you sure you want to erase? Yes, erase done. We'll go back now to make sure that we don't have that P200a code anymore. Okay, no codes found. So that definitely fixed the problem. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.